Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to fetch the categories in the admin panel. So let's get started with it. So as we had seen in the previous video, we had done this add category here and we had uploaded the data along with the image here. So now in this category tab, in the category URL, we are going to fetch the products in a table structure. So let's start with the coding part for that. So here inside your app, resources, views, and here we have the admin category and add an index. So we are on this page, right? So we'll just confirm it with the URL once. So on web.php, so in this URL we need to load that thing in the categories. So go to that URL and control and click on this. You'll be taken to that function. Just click on the view page and you can see we are inside the category index page. Just rearrange this thing. Okay, so here we need to show the data. So let us go one step back to the controller, and here we are going to call the category model. So let's say $category. First create a variable for this $category. Call your model here. Category colon all. Okay. So the category model we have imported over here. You can see app models category. So this category model is going to fetch all the data and store it in this. So let us pass it in the view function. Just put a comma over here and say compact function, compact compact function, and within single quotes just pass the variable name, that is the category, not the dollar. Okay, so just paste and save. So now let us go to the index page, and here we are going to create a table first. So make a card header, and inside that we will have this thing. Let us make it to h4, and inside the card body we are going to have a table dot table, here t head, tr. Okay, save, and here id and the category name and description and the image along with action. So view or delete, that button will be under this table header. So after this t head, say t body, tr, td. Okay, so we need to loop this table row. So how many categories we have, that many we have to show here. So here we are going to say the for each loop, say at for each. Just copy this and paste it below the table row. Here whatever the variable we had passed in the compact function, this thing you can see category, right? So just copy that and paste it over here along with the dollar symbol. Okay, as dollar, what do I say, dollar item. Okay, you can give anything over here as dollar row. You'll be using this name to access the data. So it's simple. Okay, so now what we are going to do is print the data. Say dollar item of id. So whatever you have given the table header, right, according to that you need to just call the data id and then the name and the description, then the image. This image will just give the name. We need to use the img tag over here. Show you on, yeah, say img, and inside this source you need to give double braces, say asset function, and here you need to give the path from inside the public directory. Okay, so inside public we are inside the assets, uploads, and the image name. So let us write that. So inside assets slash uploads slash category slash the image name. So I'll just copy this part. I'll just press Ctrl X, we'll cut it from there and concatenated with the dot and paste it over here. So you can remove this thing. Okay, so if the image is not found here, let's say image here. Okay, and next thing is the action, right? So here we'll have buttons, say btn.btn. so this will be edit btn primary, copy paste btn danger, this will be delete. Okay, save, and now let us refresh and check the output, and here we have got it. Let me just scroll. The image is too big, so we are getting this error. So let us just give a class in that, say class equal to width 100. Let us use this bootstraps class and check. Go and refresh. That's some kind of change, so let us make it to width 25, so it will show 25% size, and refresh. Okay, so let us just give a custom class itself because it's not displaying properly. So I'll say cat image, copy that, and inside your public assets, I mean the admin CSS, here we'll add a custom CSS, new file, say custom.css, paste your class name and say width will keep 200 pixel. Save, and let's not forget to link that. So inside admin CSS, the custom.css, and close this file. So save, and let's refresh and check the output. Okay, so it's here. I have given 200. If you need, you can reduce it. Let's just reduce it off right now. Save, refresh. Okay, so we have got the data from the database, and now we'll see in the further videos how to edit and delete these things. So let us just improve this design a little bit. So I'll just close this, and in the table class I'll give table bordered space table striped. Okay, save and refresh. Okay, done, and let us add one horizontal row over here after the header. So here HR, save and refresh. Okay, looks good. So that's it in this video, guys. We have seen how to fetch the category and show it in the admin panel. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.